So today we will talk about the Sphenopsida, which is also known as horse tails. Horse tails, right? Okay, so the living species, or you can say the living gender of this group is Equistem. Equistem. Basically, it is a living genre. It is the living genre of this group. Of this group, right? Okay, so basically it was abundantly found in the Carboniferous era. Okay, now what is Carboniferous era? Basically, Carboniferous era is the era when a lot of coal was found. Right? Basically, this plant have nodes and internodes. Like the stem possesses nodes and internodes, right? Now what is basically nodes? Okay, nodes are the basically places from where the stem, you can say the leaf arises. Let me make this properly. Consider that this is that place, right? This place will be known as nodes, like from where the leaf will arise, right? Now what are internodes? Basically the distance between two nodes. The distance between two nodes is known as internode. Distance between two nodes is known as internode, right? This is basically internodes. Now this stem also contain a staurobilli. Now basically what is staurobilli? It is a staurobilli. Basically it is a cone-like structure. Which basically possess the leaves and the sporangium and all that. Like the leaves which have the you can say the synangium or sporangium are known as sporophylls, and these sporophylls leaves don't do photosynthesis. So on the leaves on which this sporangium is present don't do photosynthesis, right? So basically they are homosporous. So they will be known as monoecious, right? And here obviously there will be roots as well. Okay, this is the leaves and all that. This is the rhizome, right? Now basically the sporophylls will have the spore mother cells. Okay, the sporophylls, or you can just say that yes, sporophylls will have spore mother cells, right? Now this spore mother cells will basically do meiosis, and the spore will be formed. Now let's see the structure of this spore. If you look at the structure of the spore, this is basically a spore, and they have a thread-like structure. They have a thread-like structure. structure which is basically made up of sapropollenin. Which is made up of sapropollenin. Basically, sapropollenin is a secondary product, and we have discussed this thing in our previous lectures as well, right? Basically, this special structure is known as elaters. What is their basically function? Like, they help in the movement of these spores in the air, like help in movement in air, like when they come and when they will get the favorable conditions, they will germinate. So basically, this elaters, if we talk about functions of elaters, they help in the opening. This process of opening is known as dehiscence. This is known as dehiscence, the opening. Basically, these elaters are also known as parachute. Like, they will help the spore when in the movement throughout the air journey. So these elaters will help the spore to open to get germinated, right? So I hope this structure of this introduction of Sphenopsida is clear to you. If you have any kind of queries, you can ask me in the comment section. We're very glad to answer you guys.